6 lessons for you to be mentally strong. Number 1. The job, the party, the relationship. Knowing when to live is so important. Don't stick with toxic environment. Number 2. Stop expecting honesty from people who lie to themselves. Honesty is really expensive gift. Cheap people can't afford it. Number 3. It's not your job to fix insecure people. It's your job to fix part of you that resonated with their insecurities. Number 4. At any minute, there is someone who can come along and change your life. That person is you. Number 5. Fitting in will make you miserable. Be your own and cool. Depend on yourself only. Never expect anything extraordinary from anyone in life. Number 6. Sometimes your old life has to fall apart before your new life can fall together. So don't hesitate to leave the past in the past.